Noliat Nansubga, Faizo Muwonge and Jalia Nabukenya had been accused of belonging to the Allied Democratic Forces, a terrorist organization. The trio had also been accused of aiding and abetting terrorism between 2014 and 2021. Nansubga was allegedly coordinating and facilitating terrorism activities with known ADF members, including one Bukenya in the Democratic Republic of Congo and one Mutumba in Uganda. One of the prosecution witnesses reportedly overheard Bukenya telling Nansubga that he was planning to take his family members to be trained in military tactics in DR Congo in order for them to return and terrorize Ugandans. However, upon evaluating the evidence that was adduced by prosecution, Justice Susan Okalanyi ruled that she did not find sufficient evidence to establish substantial grounds to believe that the accused persons belong or possess to belong to the ADF. The judge also observed that there was no evidence adduced that the accused persons communicated or are ADF members. She said the communication between Nansubga and Bukenya is explainable on the account that she is Bukenya's mother and she has custody of his children. Court also had to its satisfaction that Faizo Muwonge is her son and a brother of Bukenya. It is against this background that Justice Okalanyi dismissed all the counts in the indictment due to insufficient evidence by the state.
On that note, that means that all of you, Nansubga Noliat, Muwonge Faizo, and Nabukenya Jalia, that the indictment that was brought against you has been struck out and you are free to go.
Of course, the evidence which state was supposed to rely on includes the telephone number together with the transfer of money. Secondly, it included also several sacks of clothes, which is purportedly that they belonged to ADF. However, the same evidence was not brought to court. Now, and this International Crimes Division, it deals with mainly evidence, including even the physical exhibits, which was not brought before court. As such, court has discharged all of them.
Justice Okalanyi advised the DPP to find credible evidence and then produce the accused persons for fresh pretrial proceedings. Their defense lawyer, Geoffrey Tuyamusima, says the directive is not easy for the prosecution to execute.
Of course, court, like in any other cases, when they release you for prosecution, until the evidence is brought, then you can be brought back. But in the instant case, there is no evidence brought. That means they are free to go. There is no communication between them with Badru Bukenya or even a one Kayongo Abbas. There is no communication, especially in the telephone communication. There's no telephones. You can't also get even Bukenya himself to come and testify against them.
Raymond Tamale, NTV.